Hello YouTube, this is my Blackeye NFG 09. I have some pretty cool parts on it. Comment, no haters please. I have a Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat tied to a animal pivotal seat post. Some Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, they're clear. They spin pretty good. Not sealed though, unfortunately. A KMC heavy 410 chain. A Walmart tire now, but at my house I have a Odyssey Path P-lyte tire I'm gonna put on there pretty soon. Stock back rim, hub, same. Frame with a lot of stickers, Fox sticker, some random stickers. An Odyssey Elementary V3 stem. It's pretty good. Had to get some new bars because it pinched my other ones, but I like it. And I have some BSD 2 loose handlebars. They're wide, I like them. They're apparently from Scotland, which is pretty cool. Die Comp, I guess you say that. Tech 77 brake lever. That's pretty good. It's long, pretty good for the park. Has some grips. They're a piece of crap, but I have some animal egg ones I'm gonna put on there probably tomorrow or something. And that's about it. Comment, no haters please. Thanks guys, bye.